And it's number 15, Pakawan. Goes to the middle.
Corner.
Basket and one to Villa. Pastor Solom lays. Oh, face to face. Bakit? Gorda, pinasa. No look pass inside. Bakit? Another. Agbisit. Drives to the hoops. Bakit? Agbisit. Good. Mga idol, nandito tayo ngayon sa semifinals do or die ng Ilocos Sur Intertown para sa laban ng Magsingal at Santo Domingo. And here you go, jump ball. And our first ball possession, Santo Domingo. He pass to number 15, Pakawan. The crossover move, he floor shot, too strong. Battle for the rebound. The long pass. And here's Tolentino Bumanga, may foul. For the free throw. And a first blood, free. And here's number 6, Takay, natapikan, oops. Eliano. Pass to number 15. So Palpal face to. And here you go. Number 10 to the corner. Pass back. And number 6. Pass. Pakawan. Floater. Bears block. Pass to Ursolom. Lays. Oh, face to face. Back. 3 to score natin. Number 28 for the other end. Pakawan to the corner. Pull up jumper. No good. Rebound sa team. Oops. Put back. Backdoor inbound. 4 on the for the inbound. Pasa sa gitna. Agbisit. Agbisit. Asks for the pick. Open. Pass on the corner. Fix. Agbisit for 3. Off the target. Rebound Pakawan. Pakawan to the hoops. Bakit? Pakawan. Sit for the rebound. Agbisit all the way, Bumanga, talsik, may Tagorda, pass to Taktay, Pakawan, number 10, pull up jumper, no good. Agbisit, sumisigsag, Agbisit goes to the roof, so pinasa, what a pass. Daddy holds the ball, setting the play. Agbisit, he drives to the hoops. Bakit? Agbisit. Good. Pakawan. Pass to number 7. Sa gitna. Oops. Natapikan. Ang gandang pasa. Bakit? Easy to. And here's Agbisit. Agbisit. To the middle, pull up jumper, off the mark, and rebound. Tagorda crossover, Tagorda pass inside, and to the middle, to the hoops. Pakawan, no good. Rebound, put back, nice strong move. And change favor tayo mga idol. And here's Agbisit, no good. And gumigsag, Tagorda pinasa. No look pass inside. Bakit? Another. And here you go, crossover. Number 21. Natagawan na naman. Tagorda versus Agbisit. Pinasa. Fires. Bakit? And here you go. Foronda. Natapikan na naman. Once po. Versus Tolentino. Uy, tumalsik. Uy, nagtumbling pa. Arellano kicks out. Pereno, oops. Recover sa gitna. Arellano drive, side step, lays the Euro step. And it's number 15 Pakawan goes to the middle. Corner, reverse layup, basket and one to Villa. And here's Arellano with the ball. Dribbling the ball. Arellano picks, goes to the hoops. Bakit? Tagorda, natapikan mula sa likod by Tolentino. Renon sa rim, so Palpal, may foul. And goes to the corner. Pull up jumper, short. Battle for the rebound, Tolentino. Pass to Agbisit. Pass to number 1, he picks. To the middle, pass back, fires. End of the Tagorda dribbling the ball. Tagorda to Pakawan. To the corner. Dumistansya to Pakawan. Tagorda holds the ball. He spins to the corner. Number 28. Sa gitna libre. Oh, blocked by Bagbisit. And is stolen. And here's Arellano. He passed to Orsolum. Arellano wide open. Bam! 3 and pass to the middle. Kicks out. Takes. Taktay. Corner wide open for 3. Bam! Natin. Arellano. Arellano versus Tagorda. Arellano, pull-up jumper, short. Nakuha ngayon, Tolentino launch. Bakit? Tolentino, no good. And here's Agbisit. 2-on-1 ang laban. Agbisit, pinabitin. Bakit Agbisit? And here's Tolentino. Pass to the middle. Corner. Agbisit. Offensive foul. Pakawan with the ball. Pass inside. Fakes. Sayang yung move mo na trap. Agbisit. Arellano to Agbisit. Natapikan. Recover by Agbisit. And nilisutan. Tumagos. Offensive na naman. And here you go at the middle. Pakawan fakes. Pakawan, he dribble the ball. He stops, looking for receiver. Pass inside. Taktay, pull up J. Bakit? Arellano at the logo. Slowly moving down. And here you go, Arellano with the drives. The floater, short. And rebound Tagorda. Tagorda goes inside. Floater, no good. And here's nakakwarta. Kumambyo. Quintal. Lesos. Mukalpal. Stop for the backdoor inbound. Looking for the receiver. Bounce pass to Tolentino. Pass to the middle. Number 1 goes to the rim. Fires. Wala. Rib. Pakawan. Pakawan. Pass inside. On the wings. Pull up J. No good. Battle for the rebound. And Taktay, floater by Pakawan, no good. Rebound pa rin para sa team Domingo. Pakawan, Tagorda wide open for 3. Off the glass, bang! Crossover move. And here's Arellano, sumisegway, sumiksag, pull up J. Bakit? Dane! Pakawan, Tagorda, long pass. And here you go, Pakawan, easy 2. And here's Tagorda. Taktay, corner, pull up J. Bakit? Corner 2. And here you go, Agbisit. Agbisit with the lace. No good. Natapikan, stolen by Pakawan. Pakawan, sumigway, pull up jumper at the free throw area. No good. Rebound, Bumanga. Another floater. Pakawan, second chance. Bakit? Agbisit. Agbisit. Penetrate, bounce pass, floater, Reno, no good, put back, bakit? And pass to Pakawan, and number 11 to the hoops, no good. Natapalan, and stolen, is Hugo. Napakabilis na naman, pinabitin, bakit? Tolentino. Pakawan, long pass, number 22. Behind the back dribble, attacks, floater, no good. Rebound, put back, block. Another tarap. Backdoor inbound for Team Santo Domingo. I-pass number 22. Bumanga sa gitna. Floater. Bakit? And for the inbound, pass to Agbisit. Open for 2 of the window. Bakit? Renon. Pakawan to number 22. Tumegway, iniwan. Pinabitin. Oh, saktong-sakto. Taktay. Easy 2. And i-pass. Pakawan. Goes inside the floater. Bakit? And here's Poronda. Sa 3. Short. Pakawan for the rebound. Wild open left alone for 3. Bam! And pull up J. Bakit? Tolentino the answer. And Sumigway. And here you go to the middle. Pakawan, wide open again. Bam! Bam! And here's Pakawan. Pakawan. To the middle. Pull up J. No good. And rebound by Arellano. And here's Agbisit. Sa tres. Bang! Agaw. And Arellano with the ball. Crossover move. Choosing the screen. He stops. Floater shot. No good. Tips in. Wala. And rebound by Ursulum. To the middle. Open. And he drives. Sa gitna. Libreng-libre. Good pass. And he's tinulak. Wild open for three. Bam! Tagor. Arellano. Arellano. Pass to Agbisit. Agbisit. He drives. Pass to the middle. Ursulum. Libreng-libre. Two strong tips in. Battle for the rebound. Goes to Tolentino. And he fakes. Tolentino fakes. Attacks. Bounce pass. Sa gitna. Libreng-libre. Easy to. Taktay. Bags to Pakawan. To the middle. Taktay. Hook pass. To the middle. Recover. Out na agaw. And naagda tapikan. And here's Tolentino. Pass in sa loob. Arellano. And creates step back. Pass to Arellano. Open for three. Bam! Basket. Arellano. Arellano. To the middle. Gaston. To Agbisit. Agbisit. He drives to the baseline. Lace. And one. Pakawan for the inbound. Tagorda. Tagorda, floater shot, bucket, Tagorda. And here's number 2, Tolentino. Pass to Agbisit. Uses the score by Renon. Okay. Here's Tagorda. Tagorda. Hook pass, tatapikan. Sa middle. Pakawan. Number 28, Bumanga with Pinanggalis. Oh! Expect. Oh! And drives, Bumanga. May foul and one. Yes, Pakawan. Ibas to side step. Bounce pass, picks, clutch, fire, basket and one. And Pikaw. Nakalusot, Liz. Oh, ma-foul. Open. And here you go, one-on-one. Crossover. Oh, block! And he's to the corner, crossover, fires, bucket, tinut. Kabalinan, Pakawan. Pakawan use the screen, pull up, get the free throw, in and out and in. And pass, behind the back dribble. The pass to the middle. Uy, good, Pakawan. Side step, boom, block. Recover. Pull up jumper, no good. Oh, bucket! And he attacks, Agbisit, Bumanga. And fires at three. Bang! Number 10 long pass, all alone. Lupicito. And open Pakawan. Bullseye! Sit. Tolentino. Tolentino, nakalusot. Kicks to the corner, 4-3, for Ronda. And here you go, Pakawan. Kinaliwa, wala. Rebound, buta. And 2-on-2 ang laban. Ursulum. Pinasa, pull-up jumper. No good. Rebound. Ursulum left alone for 3. Bound. Bounce pass. Here's number 7, Tagorda. To the hoops. Bucket, Tagorda. Of the third quarter. Tolentino. Sumigway. Pass to the middle. Race block. And a pass break. 4-on-3. Here's your wide open. Stop for 3. Bang! 3. And here you go. Ursulum off the glass. BC2. Ursulum. Here's number 21. For Ronda. For long 3. No good. And here's Tagorda. Tagorda. Pass to the middle. The floater. Bucket. And here's Team Santo Domingo. Goes to the hoops. Natapikan. Pass block. Traveling. Nadali. Arellano. Pass to Ursulum. Ursulum sumigway, bumangga. May foul. And one. Ursulum. Drives to the hoops. Short. Una tabihan. Easy to by Arel. Igotin Santo Domingo. Recover. Puto strong. Rebound. Ursulum. To Tolentino, pass inside, foul, send bucket. Down to 19-point lead, nakalusot, plays, Tagorda, easy to. And here's Tagorda. Tagorda, nakalusot, pinasa sa loob, fading away, bucket. And here's Tagorda. Tagorda. Sa gitna. Oops. Lost the ball. Sa gitna. Agbisit. Agbisit. He goes. Kicks out. Drive. Side step floater. Bucket. Arelian. Oops. Tagorda nakalusot. To the rim. Supalpal. Offensive foul. Wide open. Pakawan for 3. Bang! Another 3. Poronda fix to the middle. Renon. Poronda for 3. Bang! And here's number 7. Tagorda. Pass to Pakawan. Sa corner. Pabalinan. Sa gitna. Tagorda. Pabalinan. Bumangga ko. So, stolen. And here's pass break. Poronda. Easy to. 6-point lead. Corner. Fix. Pakawan. Tagorda. 2 minutes left. Pinasa. Oop. The ball is stolen. Pass break. And here you go. Easy to. And here you go. Pakawan. Pass to the middle. Dumatake. Bumangga. Loses the ball. Luis Sakto. Pakawan for 3. Pakawan. Pass to the middle. Ursulum. Drives. Uy, may foul. Uy. Pakawan. Pass to the corner. Sa gitna, Pakawan. Side step, out. Fires, bucket! Ursulum. Ursulum. To the rim, lace. And one. Pass to Ali. Sa corner. Sa gitna, pull-up jumper. In and out. Rebound pa rin nila.